Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. For today's quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enter promo codes on Shein. So if you have a promo code or a discount code and now you want to use that on Shein, you just have to simply follow these steps for that. So you just have to come on Shein.com, or you can even follow the same steps in Shein mobile application. Now once you are on the home page, you just have to simply first click on your favorite item and add it in your cart. Now once the item is in your cart, you can either click on this cart option, or you will also be able to see the cart option when you add the item. Now after doing so, you will be redirected on your cart page where you can see your total cart value. Now you need to click on the checkout option, and once you click on checkout, you will be redirected on this payment page, where if you scroll down a bit, you will see the coupon code option, where you can simply type or paste the coupon code that you have and click on the apply. So you can even click on the my coupons, and it will show you all of the coupon codes that are currently available exclusively for you. Like this one is currently giving me 50% off. So if I want to apply this, I can simply click on it and then press continue. But if you already have your own coupon code, you can just enter it over here and click on apply and place your order and conclude your payment. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.